We are so hungry. Let's go get anything from the vending machine. Okay. Let's go get ourselves some sneakers. Come on, money. Get in the vending machine. I had enough about this. We had enough. Time to die, vending machine.
I just heard Alan Hernburger and Jack Bryant speaking to a vending machine. They gotta get it.
Man, that's so delicious.
Stop right there.
Oh no.
Come with me right now. Alan Hernburger, Jack Bryant. After you break into a vending machine, that's it. You're grounded for a week. Go to your room right now. Why?
Hey!
Get out!